One important piece of equipment that's related to your disaster recovery plan is the UPS, or the Uninterruptible Power Supply. This is basically a battery backup that provides enough time for you to gracefully shut down a system so that you don't have just this sudden loss of power. However, the warning is make sure you check the battery at least annually. I have seen it happen where you have a UPS set up and nobody pays any attention to it for 3 or 4 years, and then all of a sudden you lose power and the battery doesn't last long enough to do its job. So from personal experience, that's my warning. If you really need longer than that, then you should be using a generator to supply that power. There are a couple of kinds of UPSs. The first one that we're going to look at is the offline UPS. In this case, here's the power coming in, and typically it travels across this line right here. Let's put this up here. It travels outside of the battery and then to the servers. The battery is constantly being trickle charged all the time, and then if we need to, we can divert the power down to that battery when the power goes out. However, there is a delay in that conversion time. When we go from here down to here, takes a certain amount of time, and that may not be enough time for some of our equipment. So we have to be careful about these offline types of UPSs. We might want to spend a little more money and do the online style. In the online type, this battery is constantly being charged, but the power is being supplied to our servers directly through that battery at all times. That way there's no switch over time. If the power goes out, there's absolutely no interruption whatsoever in our power.